You searched how to buy shares of Deutsche Beteiligungs AG. Deutsche Beteiligungs AG is a German private equity investor listed on Xetra under the ticker DBAN.de. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy DBAN.de, you will need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the broker platform search bar and type the ticker DBAN.de to find the listing. Select the matching result that refers to Deutsche Beteiligungs AG on Xetra to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary, sector information, and the price chart. Confirm the page shows Deutsche Beteiligungs AG on Xetra with ticker DBAN.de, so you are on the correct listing. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed or queued. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to start the process.